Welcome to Kaikuhini channel, and today we're gonna make
sweet corn with coconut milk.
and these are the ingredients.
Plus, star of the day, fresh coconut milk cream. Buburjagung, or in English, sweet corn broth, is cooked with coconut milk and palm sugar. You may add sweet potatoes and also sagu to thicken the broth to your liking. In Southeast Asia, pandan leaves or screw pine are used to lend a unique taste and aroma to flavor desserts and drinks, as well as savory dishes. Now, put everything aside and we can start with our next ingredient. Cornstarch is great for thickening broth and porridge, but if you try to add it directly, you'll get lumps. To avoid this problem, mix the cornstarch with a little cold water until it's dissolved. This yummy recipe only takes 14 minutes to complete. Let's cook it! Put water in a pot and bring to boil. Then we can add in the sweet corn and allow it to simmer. After that, add the pandan leaves, leave it for a while. Please make sure we are using medium heat with some gentle bubbling in the pot. Let us cover the lid and bring the pot to a simmer. Now, keep cooking on medium heat for about 8 minutes. Well, we are halfway done. Now, let us pour in coconut milk cream in the pot. Please be extra careful and keep stirring at this stage. This is to avoid the coconut milk cream to curdle and split. And do make sure the heat is on medium-low. Stir slowly and evenly to prevent it from being burned. Now it starts to smell so good, caramel buttery and creamy. We can mix it all together now. The combination of the palm sugar makes this dessert less sweet. It has a very light undertone and nutty sweetness that contribute by the palm sugar. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of salt to season. Allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Be patient and keep stirring. We can cover the lid for 1 minute and let everything mix. Pour in the cornstarch while stirring rapidly. Combine cornstarch mixture in the pot and stir until smooth paste forms. Cook and stir till it thickens. Keep stirring till it's cooked and thickens up. Stir gently and please make sure the consistency of the gravy should be like a thin custard. At last, our sweet corn with coconut milk cream is ready to be served. This yummy recipe can be served either warm or chilled as a tea time treat or dessert. It is simple, it's quick, and it tastes delicious. So this is going to wrap it up for this special buburjagung or sweet corn with coconut milk recipe. Don't forget to try this healthy and easy recipe at home.
Thank you for watching my video, and I will be sharing more quick and easy improvised recipe next time. Stay tuned.